This is with the water restrictor in on probably the strongest setting for this shower head. You know, to push the water out. You see how weak it is. It doesn't even have that strong sound coming. Now this is without the water restrictor inside the shower head. You hear the difference, you can see the difference, a lot stronger. So all those that said no water pressure, make sure you take your water restrictor out first.
This video is for everyone that keeps installing these incorrectly. This is the wall bracket. This part of the hose connects to the bottom. This part of the hose connects to the shower head, which sits in the cradle of the bracket correctly. This part does not sit in the cradle correctly.
So this is how it's supposed to look. People were putting the knob on this part, and that's why it was not fitting. So now you can see where the red tag is. That's where it goes. And that's how it fits. And it fits nice and snug.
Installed it. This is really cool. This is metal. And it only took me about 20 minutes. Look at that. Oh, I love it. It's not leaky.
If you hate weak shower pressure, this shower head is a must-have. It was so easy to install. We all love the 6 high-pressure shower settings. Recently, we had 2 overnight guests in our home, and both of them asked for the link to get their own. Go get one for yourself on my Amazon storefront.
Not fit, and it falls and it makes a horrible noise.
Defect is causing a leak.